Looking for the best permanent magnet generator in 2026? In this video, we review the top 5 best permanent magnet generator available in the market and help you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. This permanent magnet generator delivers efficient and reliable power generation for industrial and renewable energy applications. Available in high-capacity configurations up to 100 kW, it provides stable output at low operating speeds around 400 revolutions per minute. Its quiet operation, durable construction, and included driving motor enhance usability. Suitable for various voltage requirements, it offers dependable performance, energy efficiency, and long-term reliability. Number 4. The 20 kW high-efficiency gearless permanent magnet generator is a dependable solution for renewable energy and industrial power generation. Designed for low-speed operation, it delivers stable output at 220V or 380V while maximizing energy efficiency. The gearless design reduces maintenance requirements and improves reliability. Built with durable permanent magnets, this alternator provides smooth, quiet performance and long-lasting operation in demanding environments. Number 3. The Meteor High Power Density Permanent Magnet Generator is an excellent choice for wind and water turbine applications. Available from 10 kW to 50 kW, it delivers efficient power generation at low speeds around 500 revolutions per minute. Its compact, high-density design maximizes output while maintaining reliability. Supporting AC outputs from 96V to 380V, it offers flexibility for various renewable energy systems and long-term performance. Number 2. The permanent magnet generator and turbine system is a reliable renewable energy solution designed for both water conservancy and wind power applications. Available in 6 kW and 10 kW configurations, it efficiently generates power at low rotational speeds, making it ideal for sustainable energy projects. Supporting multiple voltage options, including 48V, 96V, 110V, and 220V, it offers excellent flexibility for different installations. The permanent magnet design enhances energy conversion efficiency while reducing maintenance requirements. Built for durability and long-term performance, this generator provides stable power output and dependable operation, making it a practical choice for off-grid and renewable energy systems. Number 1. The permanent magnet generator set is a powerful and versatile energy generation solution designed for industrial, renewable energy, and backup power applications. Available in capacities ranging from 15 kW to 50 kW, it supports a wide voltage range from 12V to 380V and operates at both 50 Hz and 60 Hz frequencies. Its permanent magnet design delivers high efficiency, stable output, and reduced maintenance compared to traditional generators. Built with durability in mind, it provides reliable performance for continuous operation. Suitable for various power systems, this generator offers flexibility, energy efficiency, and dependable output, making it a practical choice for demanding energy requirements.